The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, expected to go official on August 10th, was spotted on Geekbench last month with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 system on chip Android 12 and 8GB RAM. Now the Galaxy Z Fold 4 that will be unveiled alongside the Flip 4 has also passed through Geekbench, confirming key specs in the process. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that got benchmarked has model designation SMF936U, suggesting it's the S version. The unit runs Android 12 and has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip at the helm with 12GB RAM. That could be the only RAM option, since the Galaxy Fold 3 also came with a single 12GB RAM option. And we don't think Samsung will launch a 16GB RAM model. While the RAM amount is likely to remain the same, Samsung is expected to increase the maximum storage from 512GB on Fold 3 to 1TB on the Fold 4. The Fold 4 is also said to be lighter than the Fold 3 but pack a 4,400 mAh battery, the same size as the Fold 3. Rumors also claim the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4's foldable screen will have a less prominent crease and looks smoother than the Fold 3's. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the hotly anticipated 2022 reiteration of Samsung's top-tier foldable phones. What started with the clunky Galaxy Fold was quickly improved upon with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, fleshed out with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and at this point, we can't wait to see what Samsung will do next. The Z Fold has slowly but surely taken up the space of what used to be the Samsung Galaxy Note. Now Samsung launches a Note-like Galaxy S Ultra early in the year. This leaves a lot of stage time for foldables during the annual August Unpacked event. So we fully expect the Galaxy Z Fold 4 to launch alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August of 2022, continuing the tradition of a late summer Unpacked event with cutting-edge technology phones. For the price, we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 4 price to be $1,800 or lower. A foldable smartphone is still a pretty tough thing to build at scale. The first and second Fold phones were both hitting that $2,000 mark. Then the Galaxy Z Fold 3 finally managed to reduce the price slightly, starting at $1,799. According to rumors, Samsung is working hard to reduce the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 without cutting any corners. We don't know how much of a price drop we can expect, but if Samsung manages to pull off another $200 price drop, that'd be pretty cool. Do consider subscribing for that, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.